Hello everyone on YouTube. Thank you so much for joining the Stock Martin channel. I have a great channel and a great video for you today that we're going to talk about CCIV or Lucid stock. If you're new to the channel, please hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell, hit all so you can get all my great videos. In addition, please give me that thumbs up. They'll share it with others so we can grow this channel and grow this community. Today, as I mentioned, we will be talking about CCIV or Lucid stock. And I wanted to talk about how this stock has been performing in the past day and then in the past month. Today has been a really great day for Lucid, and it's had an increase in stock about 6.3% overall today. However, it's made up some of the losses from yesterday. Yesterday it had a real red day. Over the past 5 days, we're still down red. Looks like hit a low in the past 5 days of $22.26. But as you can see, we've started to have that little bump up in its stock value. This is for several reasons. We're starting to get some good news out there for CCIV and Lucid, and we're going to talk about those and where the stock can go. Looking at its past month, CCIV Lucid has been up at a very healthy 31% over the past month. It has reached a low on May 13th at $17.25. And since then, it's had a really nice growth upwards. And as you can see, it's looks like it's plateaued or hit some resistance at the $26 mark. But then it looks like we found some new grounding around the $22.60 mark. Now, Lucid CCIV, as I mentioned, it does have a lot of good catalysts coming up. And this article does do a very good job talking about those catalysts. And this is an article from Investor Place, and the title of it, the #1 stock to buy to play the inevitable demise of Tesla. And so this caught me off guard because I love Tesla. I think Tesla is the pioneer and will continue to be the pioneer in electric vehicles with its autonomous driving, its solar power, its battery storages, you name it. Tesla is so innovative and is getting it. However, there is a new kid on the block that's going to take over the premium EV market. And this company has the talent, the technology, and the brand that will not just rival Tesla in the premium EV market, but will actually beat Tesla at its own game. And we'll talk about this here in a little bit as to why. So over so many years, Elon Musk and a lot of the associates that have been working with Elon Musk and Tesla, they are at the forefront of the 3 most disruptive technology shifts in the world today. The first being electric vehicles, solar power, and third being battery storage. Hands down, Tesla is amazing at these technology shifts and will continue to be the leader in these. However, while Tesla still has a big upside in its stock, we need to broaden our horizons and look for bigger opportunities elsewhere. And so this is where Lucid Motors comes in. But for years, Tesla has had 3 critical competitive advantages over other vehicle and technology companies. The first one being talent. Elon Musk is a tech talent magnet. So historically, all the smartest engineers all over the planet have wanted to work for Tesla and for Elon Musk. And this gave them a huge, huge advantage when building their electric vehicles. And as a result, they've had the best technology. So with all this talent that Elon Musk has been able to put together, he has created the best performing vehicles in the market, and this has been due to the market-leading battery technology, which has unlocked longer ranges and faster recharge times of batteries. And so Tesla has created such a wonderful brand for itself. I mean, it is known all over the world, and it's considered the cool sub 100,000 price point auto brand in the world electric vehicle that is known for its speed, it is known for its autonomous driving, and it has the best branding out there. So let's take a look as to why Lucid could potentially take over or compete against Tesla. A lot of advantages that Tesla had are starting to shift. And Lucid Motors is starting to take a lot of these things away from Tesla. So looking at the talent front, Tesla has actually lost a lot of their best talent over the past few years. A lot of this talent has gone to work for other auto companies and have started their own EV startups. So the best of the best that Tesla had went into Lucid, actually. So this company is led by the CEO, Peter Rawlinson, which is the former chief engineer of the Tesla Model S. So this is the person that created Tesla's flagship vehicle and the one that started it all. And supporting Peter Rawlinson, the CEO, Lucid Motors has a very impressive team of very brilliant people from former Tesla, Audi, Apple, Samsung, Ford, Intel, and General Motors executives. And all these people have become to create a wonderful new brand called Lucid Motors. It will have its very first vehicle in the market this year. But looking over the past history of Lucid Motors has actually been around for over about 10 years, and it has created a Lucid Electric Advanced platform. So Lucid has been working on battery technology for a long time now, especially in the high performance and race cars. And so with this experience, Lucid has made key competitive technology advances that favor Lucid over Tesla. So let's take a look at these. They do have a low-floor, wide-based EV platform for the battery of the vehicle, which creates a larger interior design and more cabin room per square foot, larger than any Tesla car. It also has an incredible power-dense drive unit. It's the most efficient electric vehicle in the market right now, which can create 4.5 miles per kilowatt usage, which is half a mile more than the 4 kilowatts that the Tesla Model S has. And this actually really does, in the long term, help out Lucid because it can have its range of more than 500 miles. And Tesla also tried to do this with its new super premium Tesla Model S Plaid Plus version. However, Tesla has just canceled that. So no longer will they make the Plus version of the Plaid Tesla Model S, but they will just have the Plaid version. So this has lowered their range to 390 miles, and it is no longer will be able to compete with Lucid for its range of their vehicles. So at this point in time, Lucid Motors will have the longest running battery that has the largest range of any vehicle in the world. And its third thing is it has a onboard boost charge technology. It's called a Wonder Box, and this allows Lucid vehicles to be ultra fast chargers. They can charge ultra fast, and they can also do bidirectional power deliveries. Now, what this means is that you can use a Lucid vehicle to plug into your house and reverse that energy, that electricity, back into the house. For example, let's say you have a power outage in your house. You can power your house through a Lucid vehicle just by plugging it in. Also, Lucid can charge other vehicles with this bidirectional power delivery theoretically, okay? So this is big technology that no other car company or no other vehicle, EV vehicle has. So in other words, Tesla's tech no longer stands alone in the best in the industry. Lucid Motors technology, pound for pound, is actually better than Tesla's portfolio. Do not count Tesla out, though, because they have amazing vehicles and amazing products coming out. Remember, I still love Tesla. We're just trying to look at other companies out there that will do potentially as good as Tesla or create their own little niche, which I believe that Lucid will in the premium vehicle, electric vehicle market. And so this article goes down to say that there's a reason that Porsche, Maserati, and Lamborghini do not make $20,000 cars everybody can afford because they want their premium brand equity. And so that's where Tesla differs because it wants a lot of people to have an EV ownership. And this company is working very, very hard to bring down the price of Teslas. And their most selling cars right now are the Tesla Model 3 and the Tesla Model Y. And this whole year, actually, they have not produced a single Tesla Model S or Tesla Model X. And that's because of two reasons. One, because they were revamping and retooling the inside versions of these vehicles. Also, the chip shortage. But what the big major reason is Tesla really wants to work on its market share and expanding the Model 3 and the Model Y, which they have done a fabulous job, amazing job of doing that. But this has left a big void for the premium vehicles, which is where I believe that Lucid can definitely step in and take that. And this article mentions, similar to what I had just said, Lucid Motors is positioning itself as the post-luxury brand, and it focuses on elegance. It focuses on being modern over the traditional legacy folks' points of opulence and indulgence. The company has designed the car with its post-luxury vibe in mind. It has earthy tones, substantial materials, simple controls, connected ecosystems, and its end-to-end consumer experience. And this year they will start creating the Lucid Air Dream model. It will have over 503 range. It will have 1,080 horsepower with a 0 to 60 in 2.5 seconds. This will be a monster of a car, and that is why it has actually sold out of all these vehicles at a price of $169,000 per vehicle for this year. Starting next year, Lucid will be selling the Lucid Air in 4 different versions, and they do plan on producing 20,000 vehicles next year in 2022. So to recap, Lucid has now the talent, the technology, and the brand, not just to rival Tesla, but to actually beat Tesla in the EV luxury arena. So again, I think this is going to be a very good stock. I think the big push up will be once Lucid becomes its own trading stock entity as LCID. Also, when all these production vehicles start rolling out, people are going to start going to the showrooms. They're going to start ordering these. They're going to be so interested in it. And I think the stock is going to really shoot up. Lucid has announced that there are so far over 9,000 reserved vehicles that people have already put deposits on, and that they do want these cars, which is great news. So I think that definitely Lucid's going to be a great company. Speaking of that, I did want to look at CCIV's stock price prediction. It is currently trading at about $24, and by the end of this year, I'm thinking we're going to have CCIV around $45, $47, which is a really nice upside from here. It's going to double your money, and this is because of two things. The production will be starting, and so we're going to have these two things happen. So these vehicles are going to have to start rolling out, and they're going to have to start delivering and producing these vehicles. And I think the stock will do very, very well. From here on out, I think the stock will do great if you hold it long term. I think its long-term forecast conservatively will be $135. Personally, I think it's going to be a lot better, but we just need to start these vehicles to roll out, and we need to start seeing that revenue, which will definitely push this stock up. So I hope you like this video. Thank you so much for watching. I think that Lucid CCIV will be a great stock to own long term. I think that in the next few days, you still might see a little bit of volatility because you do have some of the short sellers out there that are betting against CCIV. And as this merger comes available July 23rd and becomes becomes Lucid, I think that people will start investing in it. You'll start seeing other big companies invest in it, especially once those production vehicles start coming out and you start seeing all the great reviews and people start driving these vehicles around. I think this stock has an amazing potential, and I think it will have that niche for itself in the EV premium market. Well, thank you again for watching this video. Please don't forget to hit that thumbs up button so it can be shared with others. Also, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell, and hit all so you can get all my videos. I'm trying to get this channel up to, I'm probably about to 300 subscribers now. I'm trying to see if we can push it up and test that 500 subscriber mark. So please, if you can, Please share this with your family, your friends, and your next door neighbors. And thank you so much for supporting this channel. Down below, I did create a link for Webull. If you deposit $100, you get 2 free stocks valued up to $1,850. And you can also click on Coinbase, deposit $100, and get $10 of cryptocurrency in trading. Thank you so much for supporting this channel, and have a great day.